It's again a beautiful day, and welcome back here on the PhilsDrive, where we uncover the life stories beyond the successes and challenges to bring you the importance of people worldwide. Today we are here with Mokgethi Ramokgadi on the PhilsDrive, and he's a young entrepreneur, not by choice, I could say. And it's not my choice, right, Mokgethi?
Yes, it's not by choice.
So, man, tell us, what brought you to this point of being an entrepreneur today?
Well, I've been unemployed for a long time and I've been looking for a job for the longest time.
Mm-hmm.
And I just decided that, well, you know what, it's actually time to start my own thing and see where it goes. So with the little money that I was getting and saving, I just decided to start a Boerewors roll stand.
Okay.
Selling sweet snacks and cigarettes, and just see where I'll go.
So he got each and every single part that your mouth needs, from smoking, which we don't really permit and encourage, and then he has also snacks and also Boerewors and cheese rolls. It's going down for real. Now, Mokgethi said that he began with a small amount of money from his savings and money that he's been getting, and he actually began with something. Now, Mokgethi, you are close to Dobsonville Mall, ne? And what would motivate people to actually come to your shop? Why?
I sell very good Boerewors rolls, cheese rations, hot dogs, and very nice snacks for your kids and anyone who wants snacks. It's very cheap, and I don't mean that it's low quality, it's good quality, it's Eskort quality, and it's at a low price for now because I'm just trying to get people to buy and get more customers.
Wow. You said low price. That's the last thing that actually rang in my head. And also, you said good and very nice, something that your kids can always relate to. Very nice ice cream, very good cheeseburger, those kind of things. And Mokgethi, man, I really want people to come and support you. People from Dobsonville, Mmesi Park, please stretch your legs, man, and please just come and support this young man with a vision. He's also a graduate at Rosebank College, and he studied business administration and business management as well, but that didn't stop him to want a better life for himself. So here again on the PhilsDrive, where we uncover the life stories beyond the successes and challenges. Mokgethi, where can we find you? I believe maybe you'll drop the location?
Opposite Gekezo Body and spray painting.
Okay, so that's easy and simple. Just ask for Mokgethi, the big guy with the muscles. And what else can they remember you with?
Just the Boerewors roll stand, and I'd also like to say that I'll be selling ice cream surely 2 weeks from now.
Yeah.
And ice. What else also? And just more. Just please come through and support. Anything is appreciated, from the 50 cents you have to the 50 rand you have. We don't discriminate, we take everything.
We take everything. Gonke Zops. Thank you so much, Mokgethi, for coming here on the PhilsDrive, man. Remember these last words, that those on top of the mountain didn't fall there. Thank you very much. Let's support Mokgethi, an entrepreneur and a young man with a passion to actually live a better life. Thank you.